Good morning students. How are you? I hope all will be well. Today we will read part 4th from lesson 11 money. Okay. We have discussed in our previous lecture about addition and today we will discuss about subtraction. Do you know about subtraction? What is the sign of subtraction? That. This is the sign of subtraction. This is the sign of subtraction. Okay. Now today we will discuss about subtract the following. Subtract the following. Suppose I have taken here one example like this type. Okay. This is your example of rupees. Like this. You have 5 rupees. Okay. You have 5 rupees. If you spent 3 rupees from them, how many rupees you have left? Only 2 rupees. So here we will write 2. Okay. Here you have 2 rupees. If you spend 1 rupees from all, how many rupees do you have? You have only 1 rupees. We will put here 1. Okay. Listen, you have 2 rupees and you want to spend 8 rupees. Can you spend? No, you can't spend. Okay, you can't spend. So in this situation, we will take 1 rupees from your neighbor. Okay, in this situation, we will take 1 rupees from neighbor. If I take 1 rupees from neighbor, so you have 12 rupees and your neighbor have only 7 rupees. Clear? Now that time you have 12 rupees. If you want to spend 8 rupees, you can spend easily. Okay. Suppose if we cut 8 from 12, you will get 4. Okay. Now that time you have 7 rupees. You want to spend 2 rupees. How many rupees you have left? You have only 5 rupees. We will put here 5. Got it? Now that you have 0 rupees, you want to spend 5 rupees. Can you spend? No. In this condition, we will go near neighbor. Okay. We will take 1 rupees from neighbor. If neighbor give you 1 rupees, you have 10 and your neighbor have 7. Okay. Now that time you have 10 rupees and if you want to spend 5 rupees from 10, you can spend easily. If you spend 5 rupees from 10, how many rupees do you have? You have only 5. You have 7 rupees. If you want to spend 4 rupees, how many rupees do you have? You have only 3 rupees. Okay. This is your subtract the following. Now we will take second question, find the difference. Find the difference. Find the difference. In your book has given question number 1 like this 79 paise, 32 paise, 38 paise and 15 paise. Okay. Your B question is 178 rupees and 97 paise, 69 rupees and 35 paise. ठीक है? Okay. Now we will subtract. Yes, beta. We have discussed subtract the following. Now we will discuss find the difference. Both are same, but question is different. Okay. Dear student, you have 9 rupees. If you want to spend 2 rupees from 9, you can spend. Yes, you can spend easily. So now you have rupees 7. Okay. Now you have 7 rupees. If you want to spend 3 rupees from 7, so you can spend easily. Yes, you have 4 rupees. Okay. Here you have 8 rupees. If you want to spend 5 rupees from them, you can spend. Yes, you can spend easily. You have 3 rupees. Here you have 3 rupees. If you want to 1 rupees from them, you have 2 rupees. Clear? Okay. Now we will take turn of that. Suppose you have 7 rupees. You want to spend 5 rupees from 7. You can spend. Yes, you can spend easily. So now you have 2 rupees. You have 9 rupees. If you want to spend 3 rupees from 9, you can spend. Yes, you can spend. Now you have rupees 6. Next, you have 8 rupees, and if you want to spend 9 rupees, can you spend? No. In this situation, we will go near to neighbor. We will take 1 rupees from neighbor. You have 18 and your neighbor have 6. Okay, now that time you have 18 rupees. If you want to spend 9 rupees from 18, you can spend. Yes, you can spend easily. Now you have 9 rupees and here you have 6 rupees and you want to spend 6 rupees. Yes, you can spend easily. So you have 0. Clear? And now we will take here 1. This is your find the difference. Okay? Got it? Now we will do practice of word problem. Example 1. Sonu had 50 rupees. He bought a toy car for rupees 35. How much money is left him? Okay. Yes, beta, listen. Here I have taken one example. Sonu had 50 rupees. सोनू के पास 50 रुपीज है. He bought a toy car. उसने एक टॉय कार खरीदी फॉर 35 रुपीज की. लिसन, उसके पास कितने रुपीज है बेटा? 50 रुपीज हैं और उसने एक टॉय कार खरीदी कितने की? 35 की. हाउ मच मनी इज ही लेफ्ट हिम? अब उसके पास वो कितने रुपीज लेकर के आएगी? कितने रुपीज बचे उसके पास? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट हियर सोनू हैड रुपीज 50. ओके, सोनू हैड रुपीज 50. ही बॉट अ टॉय कार रुपीज 35. ओके, नाउ he is left with now we will do subtract. Okay, you have 0 rupees and you want to spend 5 rupees. Can you spend? No. In this condition we will go near to neighbor. Neighbor have 10 rupees. Oh, we will take one borrow from neighbor. You have 10 rupees and neighbor have 4 rupees. Okay, like this type. If we spend 5 rupees from 10, you can spend. Yes, you can spend easily. If we cut 5 from 10, you have 5. And here is, if you want to spend 3 rupees from 4, you have 1. So now he is left with कितने रुपए बचे उसके पास बेटा? 15 rupees. Okay, clear? So बेटा you have to do practice in your notebook. And today your HW is do exercise 5 in notebook of chapter 11. Okay beta, thank you and have a nice day.